Hi, Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here today to talk about the famous Marine 31. Now, Marine 31 is infamous for a full line of products. However, the most popular one is the Marine 31 Mildew Stain Remover. And I don't say that just by sales, I say that by use, meaning that word travels fast in the marina. So once somebody who's a boat owner that gets their hands on this product to actually utilize it for mildew stain removal, it just spreads like wildfire after that around the marina, knowing that this product is a go-to product for that purpose. Now, obviously, if you have your boat that's stored or been sitting out and of course accumulating a lot of moisture and mold, this product not only removes the mold, but it actually stops it from coming back unless it's exposed again. So this product is great because it can be used on multiple surfaces. It can be used on your vinyl seats, which obviously that's where you see the mold the most, rubber, canopies, gel coat, so many different surfaces, even at your home, showers, countertops, sinks. It does a great job in all those categories. Now, one of the best things I like about this product is one, it's non-acid, and two, it's non-bleach. Now, you may end up having a hint of that bleach-like smell, but technically the formula is made from a component of that same chemistry, but it doesn't allow it to compromise such things as like fabric and stitching and things of that nature that other traditional products that would be more aggressive. This product is the sweet spot for that because you don't have to worry about those things. It's easy and safe to use. And when we talk about the use, it's just as simple as being able to spray it on the surface, let it dwell for 1 to 3 minutes, and then if you want to agitate, you can. If not, you could just wipe it off with a microfiber towel. Now, for more stubborn mildew, then you may want to let it dwell or approach it with a couple different applications and agitating it to really remove the more stubborn mildew stains that may be on the surface. But again, Marine 31 Mildew Stain Remover, it's super safe, super effective. And once you get your hands on this, you'll understand why it's the most popular mildew remover on the market. For more information about Marine 31 products or the Mildew Stain Remover, visit Autogeek.com.